Idioms of the day. First one is melting down.
I'm totally melting down right now. I can't hold it anymore. It's just too much.
Melting down is the formal use of this idiom is reduced to a liquid state, any solid which turns into a liquid state. But it is also spoken in English and it has an informal use, which means an emotional situation or emotional breakdown. The child melted down on the loss of his mother. The child melted down on the loss of his mother. So that is the use of this idiom. The second word is grappling. Grappling means hand to hand struggle of a situation. ठीक है, और whole seize of something in a wrestling match. Wrestling में वो नहीं जकड़ लेते हैं. So that is also called grappling. The use of this sentence can be Vinesh Fogart grappled with the Russian wrestler. ठीक है, grappled with the Russian wrestler. Third word of the day is facile. It means सुपरफिशियली इम्प्रेसिव बट लैकिंग डेप्थ. ऊपर से तो देखने में अच्छा लगता है लेकिन अंदर से उतना बढ़िया नहीं है. सो इफ वी से दैट विराट कोहली स्कोर्ड अ फैसाइल सेंचुरी
in world cricket. Oh, down the pitch, flick of the wrist and a maximum to play.
recently he played in the local cricket and he scored a century there. So that was not very exciting but it was a century. So it is superficially attractive, ऊपर से देखने में attractive है but उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा importance नहीं है. And the last word of the day is abseil. Abseil means a descent of a vertical cliff or a wall using a double rope. ठीक है, उतरना डबल रोप के सहारे किसी क्लिफ से माउंटेन से उतरना. So, how can we make use of it in a sentence? The climbers used an abseil to come down from the cliff. The climbers used an abseil to come down from the cliff. So, जो use करते हैं rope, उसको बोलते हैं abseil. So, those were the 4 interesting words or idioms of the day. Keep learning with Ankur.